Oppo became the first major company to confirm it will use the Dimensity 9400 chipset in its flagships. Today, we learned that the Find X8 lineup will use the MediaTek platform and will officially launch in China on October 24th. The series will also bring ColorOS 15, which is Oppo's Android 15-based user interface. The announcement comes just hours after MediaTek made the Dimensity 9400 official. Oppo did not reveal any more details about the Find X8 lineup, but we expect 3 phones for the first time: Vanilla, Pro, and Ultra phones. The first 2 will likely be powered by the new chip, while the Ultra may or may not have Snapdragon 8 Gen 4. The ColorOS 15 announcement promised a 3-layer interface, making the phone more efficient, fluid, and performant. The interface, which will appear on all Find X8 phones and Chinese versions of OnePlus 13, was demoed with ultra-smooth and fast interface on stage. Now that we know we have 15 days until the official launch, we expect to learn more details about the Find X8 phones.